It's drizzling, but I just came to say hi. Plus, my side hurting me a bit. Maybe sleep bad on it, I'm not so sure. But yeah, can't go out in the rain today. It's a rainy day, it's a rainy day. So, you all doing? How you all doing, guys? Out here it's cold. So cold. I'm gonna head back in, guys, because it's so cold. I didn't bring my scarf, so yeah, really cold. I think I'm gonna take a sat somewhere. Yeah. Mm. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. It's raining, guys, it's raining. So, no walking out today. Place is wet. Place is wet. Ooh. Can't go look for my friends them today. Can't go look at my friends them today. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, but they wouldn't come out today because it's raining. They're not going to come out today because the ground is wet. Mm. It's freezing out here. It's freezing. Freezing. It's freezing. Freezing, guys. Don't think I'm gonna stay long on this live either, because it's freezing. How you all doing? How is the weather in Jamaica? Wherever you're at watching. How is the weather? How is the weather your side? Jesus. Ooh. Mm. Ooh, it's freezing. Talk to me, guys. How is the weather your side? Hello? Yesterday was so beautiful. Today, nothing for the rest of the week. It's gonna be like this. Mm-hmm. Jeez. So cold. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'm seeing you coming in, but I don't know who the persons are, so you can like, share, and subscribe. Wait, look back here.